Hi everyone, this is Lucy. Chances are that when you search for a Puerto Rican recipe, one of the main ingredients is an envelope of Sazón. If you have seen my recipes, I don't use Sazón that much because of the controversy of the MSG ingredient. Always try to use fresh ingredients. Also, chances are that you already included some of the ingredients of the Sazón in your sofrito. But if you must use Sazón, you can make it yourself, and here is how. One of the main ingredients in Sazón is ground annatto seeds. I was unable to find the ground annatto, so I'm grinding the achiote or annatto myself. You can store ground annatto for a long time without the need of dissolving it into hot oil. Just add it directly to your green stews or yellow rice. And I'm going to use equal parts of the ingredients in this recipe. So I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon of the ground annatto, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander seeds. These are the seeds of the cilantro plant. 1 tablespoon of ground oregano, 1 tablespoon of cumin or comino in Spanish, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of black or white ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. If you don't have kosher, you can use regular salt, and you can add also paprika or turmeric if you like. 1.5 teaspoons is equal 1 liter envelope. I hope you find this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.